kind of how we do things, or how I do things. Now, when I'm doing my Christmas tree, the reason I don't like to record is because when I get into the zone, I do better when I'm not having to explain what I'm doing. So my goal, I'm gonna get into the zone every now and then. I may say something, and this is just gonna be a straight record, and I'm gonna have to break it up because you're not gonna want to see the whole thing. It does take me a long time to decorate. Okay, so we've already, Colton and I, my helper who is wanting to chat. Colton, stop.
What's wrong with my face?
We've already got it up and we've fluffed it. I may still fluff along the way, but for now it is what it is. Now this tree, Colton.
Why's my face swing?
You know what? Go to that room.
Why?
If you cannot sit here and act normal, I know you're acting normal. If you cannot sit here and act unnormal, then you're not going to be in here. No. We're not going to mess with the wand. We have a wand.
We use that for the tree.
Yes.
It's cool.
It is cool. So I have all, okay, Colton, you got to let me do this. I have, so, and that's okay. All right, here's the plug in. I just got to find, y'all, I'm very,
I lost it. Okay.
Colton.
I love you.
I knew that.
Chillax with me. He needs to chillax with me.
He needs to chillax with you. Well, don't chase him down, please.
Because I'm tired.
Colton, I'm doing a video. You cannot be running through here.
No,
Colton!
I'm not running. You're the one that's doing it.
I'm fixing to show them how I get on to you. They're fixing to see that.
Oh no, that broke it.
Alright, we're gonna keep going.
He
Come here,
jumped off. Mommy, he jumped off.
We don't want to be in there, baby.
He jumped off.
Come here, Axe. Come here. Come
He
here.
jumped off.
I understand, but he... Don't you slam it.
Mom can make anything look good.
Well, you're so kind.